Well, hello, this is Mike Jacko with Minria and Real Estate Promo with another Flippin' Friday video for you guys. And today I want to talk about staying the course and not getting discouraged. The last several months there's been a lot of changes. Federal Reserve rate has gone up, interest rates have gone up, inventory has gone down. However, the inventory part going down is normal. I was just looking at the data from the last 4 or 5 years where you look at a chart and you compare month over month. The numbers are identical for the new listings, what am I looking at? New listings, pending sales, closed sales. When I look at the chart there, and I don't know that I'd be able to show you on here, but you can go look at it yourself if you just do any market data research. You'll see that, like, at least in my area, the numbers are identical. Yeah, they're down from 6 months ago, but they're identical to what they were the previous year at the same time and the previous 4 years at the exact same time. So the market data is not discouraging because that's still staying in the exact same patterns. The talk we're hearing out in the market is a little bit different. But what I wanted to focus on is this time of the year is where I see a lot of beginners just give up. They get frustrated. They've been trying this for 6 months, maybe a year, haven't done a deal yet, and they give up. That is a mistake, and I'm here to tell you, you need to have a little bit of stomach and a little bit of patience and just get through it. You need to get out there and take some action. One of the biggest problems I see with people is they study and study and study and never take any action. Because real estate is not as easy as the weekend seminars make it sound. You know, you're not going to be able to go out, look at 10 properties in a weekend, make 5 offers, buy 1 property, flip it for $30,000 to $50,000 profit over the next 2 months. It just doesn't happen that easily in normal real life. It's not HGTV. We're talking about real life scenarios here. And I do tend to see people get discouraged because they get out there, they start studying, they're learning, and they get stuck in what I call paralysis of analysis. And they want to learn every possible scenario before they ever go and take action. And I'm here to tell you, you never will. I've been at this for 30 years. I still don't understand and know all the scenarios. And I get new people and inexperienced people come to me all the time asking me questions, and they're hypothetical questions. Half the time I'm like, I don't know what I would do in that scenario. Now, I've never seen a scenario come up like that, but that's what that happens is they start thinking about things that could potentially happen, so they want to know what their exit strategy would be in that case, and they never get out there and do it. The key is just get out there and do it. Make some offers. Deals are happening all the time, and I'm coaching people through them. I'm doing deals myself right now. They're under the radar. They're not on the MLS. You're not going to find them there. You just have to get out there, start doing some niche marketing, driving for dollars, sending out postcards to lists. Even if you're sending out postcards and direct mail marketing to the same list that everyone else is, who knows, maybe your marketing piece is the one that's going to get the seller's attention. You would not believe how many times I've bought houses, and where I'm walking through the seller's house, I could see on their kitchen table or on the counter a stack of postcards and envelopes from other investors that the sellers just never responded to. And when you ask them about it, they're like, yeah, I've gotten so many, but when I saw yours, I was finally ready to respond, so yours is the one that just came, so I called you. Or I've also had them say, I've seen I wasn't ready when all the marketing messages started coming, but by the time I was ready, yours is the one I was familiar with because I'd seen your company name or your personal name 2 or 3 times. So they felt a little bit more comfortable that, because we were consistent on the marketing. And that's just the key, is be consistent on your marketing and just get out there and make offers. And if you get a motivated seller and you don't know what to do with the deal, that's where you can then seek out help and advice from the experienced investors, from mentors and coaches. And there's a lot of people out there that if you have a deal, they're willing to help you, whether maybe partner up with you, coach you for a fee or whatever. But a lot of these exact same people don't want to do anything or help the beginners because they've been through it so many times where they've, put in a lot of time and effort to try to help someone and coach them and train them. And then they don't have enough strength to stick it out during the slow times like this right now, here in the middle of the winter. And then they drop out. And that's discouraging to the experienced investors who really want to help. So, do them a favor as well if you are working with them. Just stick it out and just get out there and do it and make them proud. So with that, I will see you guys back here with another Flippin' Friday. And if you get any value out of these, please like the video and subscribe so that when the new videos are posted, you get notified right away. Try to do them every single week. So we'll see you guys back here next week. Thank you.